Rich Llongchare ar y fuddugoliaeth, be nes ti o perfformiad y tîm?
Do, briliant y performance. Dwi'n meddwl bob unigolyn yn outstanding heddiw yn cynnwys y subs o thon hefyd, so o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n solid, a wedyn, doeddwn ni o hyd yn edrych threat yn mynd ymlaen lle, so overall brilliant performance.
I thought the opportunities we created were quite good opportunities, which then turned into decent chances, but they also did as well, so they created and caused us a little bit of trouble, problems in certain areas of the pitch, which they're going to with the quality that they've got on the pitch as well. So we've got to respect that. We've got to respect where they are as well, in terms of the fact that they've got to a final. You know, they've competed in Europe over the years, and they're always competing in the top six. So listen, we're very proud of where we've come from, but that still doesn't mean that we can't be hurt in regards to the 2-0 defeat here today.
Zach, it was a great game to watch. What was it like to play in?
It felt a bit chaotic, but you know, we got the win, and going into next week, that's what we wanted, that's what we needed. So it's a great feeling.
Talk us through the goals, because you were central to both. That first one, that cross comes into Sistovic. Did you get the last touch?
I don't know if I can claim it to be fair, but you know, if they want to give it me, I'll take it. But the second goal, you know, the keeper's pulled off some worldly saves all game, and then, you know, it's the old saying, if you don't shoot, you don't score. And you know, luckily I've shot, and I think it's just bobbled under him. So happy to get the goal. I'm surprised it was that one, but happy to get the goal.
Ti'n meddwl, is it going to be one of them days lle nhw ddim yn mynd i fewn, ond ia, dwi'n meddwl, jyst i gael yr un gyntaf na, mae'n jyst roed y confidence i chdi wedyn fynd ymlaen, a wedyn, ia, mae'n newid y gêm wedyn, achos mae Colwyn gorfod dod allan dy bach mwy a agor y gaps i fyny, ond swn i, da ni probably creu mwy heddiw na da ni wedi gwneud yn y 6 wrthos dwytha, so mae hynna'n really positif i ni, a wedyn eto gadw'r clean sheets na, dim llawer tîm sy'n neud na nebyn Colwyn Bae, so mae'n really testament i players fe heddiw faint oedd yn wsio fo, ac ia, chwarae teg hyd i'r 3 points.
Any game against Colwyn Bae here is massive, so we knew that if we get the win today, going into Flint next week, puts us in good stead, and you know, that's what we needed. We needed the morale to be up, we needed that win, so going into next week now we can fully focus, and you know, I think if we play like that, we put ourselves in a good position.
And bodes for a very good occasion next week as well.
Yeah, exactly, and then hopefully we get all the fans down there, and you know, it'll be a great experience.
The crowd here, 5th highest ever in the league, 2,357, and seeing you on the pitch with all the youngsters here, real community day out today.
Amazing. That was probably the best part of the day, to be perfectly honest. And also just acknowledging, again, where the club's come from, what it's doing, both on and off the pitch, to see so many coming through the gate, and to create an atmosphere, it's brilliant, and it'll just go from strength to strength from here, hopefully.
Amseru gwych gyda y gwpan yn dod wrth nesaf. Fi'n gwybod ti'n gweud un gêm ar y tro, ond y gêm nesaf yw yr un fawr.
Ia, gawn ni edrych ymlaen wan wrsos yma, a concentrate o bob dim ar hwnna. Dwi'n meddwl bod wedi bod yn bach yn distraction, os dwi'n hollol onast. A mae'n anodd peidio dydy, mae pawb yn gwybod faint o fawr ydi o a faint o chysur ydi o. So, ia, fydden ni'n gwybod am mynd i fewn yn ffocws efo hynna, ond ia, allan mynd i digon o glod a i players ni, a wneud hynna rei massive confidence i players ni. So, i cael clean sheet a sgor y gos, a ni wedi gallu cael 5-6 arall, dwi'n meddwl fanna fyd efo keeping nhw'n outstanding, o'n i'n teimlo man o match iddyn nhw. So, ia, lot o bethau positif am heddiw.
O ran achlysur, chi'n disgwyl tipyn yn dod i gwrdd â chi?
O bydd ei cofio am hynna. Some 2 faith am hynny, a bydd yn dod yn niferoedd, da ni eisiau gobeithio enjoyo'r diwrnod, a beth bwysig dim rhaid ni ennill y gem. Dyna di ffocws ni, a wedyn gobeithio na dyna fydd yr outcome.